final look of this cooking fried beans and fried plantain. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not. Thank you for watching, and for those of you that always come around to watch my video, comment. God bless you all. See you in my next video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? This is Lady B. I hope you guys are doing safe. Today we are going to be cooking beans and fried plantain. These are my ingredients. I have my beans, I have my plantain, I have my vegetable oil, I have my tomato, my garlic powder, my curry powder, maggi cube, seasoning cube. I have my red bell pepper, I have fresh tomatoes, Abanero pepper, I have ginger, I have onion, and that is my beef meat over there. And this is my beans here. So for me to achieve quick and fast beans, I soak it for 2 hours, and that is why the beans is like that. So guys, let's get started. So here's my pot, my water is here. What I'll be doing, I'll be adding the beans. This is the beans I'll be adding it. So I like to be here for another 20 minutes. This is the beans. It's half cooked. I'm going to remove it from the gas. I'll off the gas. I remove it and drain it away while I wash it and put it back again. We're adding the beans again. The water has boiled. So I like to cook again for another 20 minutes. So what I will be doing, this is my onion. I'll be adding it as well. So I'll cover and allow it to be there for 20 minutes. I'm going to be frying the beef meat. I'll be adding the oil. I'll just allow it to heat up a little while I add the meat. Okay, now I can add it and leave it there to fry. What I did with the meat, I added some curry powder and some ginger and some garlic and some salt before frying. Now my plantain, I washed it. So what I will be doing, I'm going to cut everything to the normal size. I'll peel them and cut them to the small size of fried plantain or dodo. So this is it. If you want to cut it to like that, it's like this. You just cut it. I'll show you after I've cut this one. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to cut everything like that. I see you guys do. I'll flip them over and allow the other side to fry as well. to be using the same oil to fry my plantain. So this is my plantain. What I'll do, I will sprinkle some salt inside. Okay, I'll just add some to it like that. Okay, that one is okay. I would like to fry. Plantain is still there. Frying it over so that the other side can cook as well. Right now, I'll be removing it and adding the last one. Plantain is still frying. Just flip it over and it's still alive to be here for some time. So the plantain is ready. I'll be removing them. So I'm going to be using the same oil to fry my beans. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to remove some oil because it's mush. I'll remove some oil from it. Here's my onion. I'll be adding my onion, some garlic powder, some curry powder, and one maggi cube. After that, I'll be adding my red bell pepper. This is my red bell pepper, onion, fresh pepper. I like to be here on a low heat for 5 minutes. Now I'll be adding my mix, my fried mix. This is my fried meat. I'll be adding it so that I can soak the sauce. And I'll be adding my tomato puree. adding some salt as well. Still leave it here to cook some more. The stew is ready. What I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to pour it on the beans. So this is the beans that's been cooking since. So I've not added anything. So I'll be adding my stew to it. Allow it to be here. I will not stir it so that it will not get burnt, because beans get burnt so quick and so easy. So the beans is still here. Let me see and taste for salt. If the salt is okay, I will stir it now, but I will not stir it to the down. I can taste for salt and see if the salt and all the ingredients are okay. I'll be adding some salt more. Yes. Okay. I'll cover and allow it to be there for another 3 minutes. Our beans is ready. And this is how it looks like.